So Taylor, let's check this out. I want to review this set of 5 drill bits. First off, you want to see there's 5 drill bits in here that come in 50 different sizes, so this is pretty awesome. So first off, look at the case that it comes in. This case is actually really awesome to have. Super compact. It's definitely going to save space whenever you need it, but you need the assortment of drill bits. So how often have you gone looking for drill bits? You go to drill a size on a hole and you pick the wrong drill bit. Now you got to go back to the toolbox to get the right size. So that's always a pain. But check this out. We're going to go ahead and open this up. If I open it up the right way, you're going to look in here and you're going to see your 5 different sets of drill bits. So you got 5 different drill bits. They're going to be 5 different sizes. This is biggest size right here is from 1/4 to a 1 3/8 hole. So that's going to step down from there from 3/16 to a 7/8 inch hole, a 1/4 to a 3/4 hole, a 1/8 to a 1/2 hole, and then last but not least, a 1/2 inch down to a 3/16 hole. So if you look at the drill bits themselves, which is pretty awesome, you can see how they're stepped. They've got a really nice cut in there and a really nice point on the end of it. So it's going to really get you a good started, a nice pilot hole started, and then you're going to get down to your correct size. Comes in, like I said, this awesome case that holds them in here, really nice and secure. You can always tell what bits you need. It gives you the size right here on the case. That way there's no mistaking it. They're cut out a specific way. You can't mess up as far as where you're putting the drill bits back. And if you did, on the side of the drill bit, you can actually see it actually has it written. If I can get that to focus. It actually has the depths or the size of the holes on the drill bit itself, which is awesome. So we'll go ahead and hook one of these up, and we'll just drill a hole right here into one of this piece of wood just to show you how this thing's going to line up. See if it's going to line this up in any drill bit you got here. And we'll just start off and we'll drill right through here. So you're going to see with little effort, we're going to drill right through. And as we push, it's going to continue to increase that hole size. So now we're through the back side. We'll go one more step just to show you the hole that this thing is going to create, which is pretty awesome. So we'll pull this out, and you can actually see on the side of this bit that we went up to a 1/2 inch hole. So that 1/2 inch hole, you're going to see that it is super clean. It is really nice, well made, super sharp bit, no smoke. These bits are titanium covered, titanium coated cobalt steel, so that's really going to give you a good length on your drill bit, keeping it super sharp without any sharpening necessary. So it's pretty awesome. Again, really helpful, really useful set of drill bits. This drill bit kit is going to come really in handy. You know, like I said, super compact design, 50 different sizes. You know, when you think of 50 different size drill bits, you're talking a big bulky kit. This is going to eliminate that. This is going to be a really compact design, super small. Stick this anywhere. This will fit in your toolbox, in the back of your truck, wherever you need it. This thing is going to be awesome to have. Check a set of these out for yourself. I appreciate you watching.